Hello and welcome to another rig fix video. If you missed the last episode, we cleaned the interior of my beautiful W124 250D. This episode we're going to be going to the junkyard, seeing if we can find some other W or S 124s, doesn't really matter, as I need some parts for this vehicle.
So let's head out to the junkyard.
We've arrived at the junkyard. I'm gonna grab my tools. There's stuff like this here already. A 190E. I'm not sure if this is for parts as it's outside of the gates. However, let's continue into the yard. This is not typically a pick apart yard where you can just waltz in and take what you want. However, I've done it a few times and they haven't been too angry. But let's continue. So what we're looking for is a solenoid for my 124, which would be the headrest drop-in solenoid. But hopefully we can find something. Let's see. Only time will tell. Oh, I see a 124, but it's a universal version. Let's go check it out still though. Here it is. It might actually also be the same one I was picking from 2 years ago. Let's see what's under the hood. A gasoline engine. I'm not too familiar with those. I only know diesel ones to some extent. So this is no bueno to me, but let's check out the interior. It has the exact same interior as mine. Let's see if the door is open. Yep, exact same interior. I really like this bottom though. Just the fabric of it. Mine has a hole there. This one doesn't. I'll remember this. I know it's here, so I can come back anytime. And I might snatch that if it's for a good price. But let's keep looking. A lot of Audis and newer Mercedes. Nothing here. Yep, this is still here, the coupe. Let's go check this out. I believe this was the coupe, if I'm not mistaken. I am mistaken. It was a sedan. Let's see if I can climb up somewhere to have a better look. But let's see. Oh, it's a turbo 2.5, I think. Nice. Damn, shame. Always sad to see these ones here. Really got that. On the inside, nothing really left apart from the dashboard. And I remember last time I wanted to take the solenoid from here, but maybe you can see it's broken. Yeah. And damn, I wanted that center vent as well, but it's broken. At least they got a solid bottom here, which I don't. But no worries, let's keep moving. Maybe we can find a nice 124. Take our parts from. Is that another 124 I see? Nope, it's a facelift. And also a really fancy door card. I wonder what card that is for. If you know, comment below. Has a lot of functions on it, cool. But we are here for this. Leather interior. Oh no. I think if there was a solenoid here, then it's gone now. I wonder if it still has the original antenna though. It doesn't look like it, but always worth checking it out. Oh no, it's locked. Unfortunate. So we can't access the trunk to see about the antenna status. Some random cars here. An old Range Rover. This one took quite a hit to the back, it seems. Or I don't know if it's supposed to be slanted like that.
Speaking of things being slanted,
This car is about to fall off. Have a guess in the comments. Diesel or gas. Let's see, I'm guessing gas. I think it's a turbo diesel, a newer one, OM605 maybe. Unfortunate, but let's move back. Just ran into the owner of the place. He said they have a few 124s, although most of them have been emptied out. So let's just have a look at what's here. Look at the wall of parts they have here. It's pretty wild. A lot of doors, a lot of bonnets, a lot of wings, just rotting away. But I'm gonna drop my toolbox off here again. Toolbox here. Ow, my leg. Toolbox here, and let's have a look. I already see a 124 there, so let's go see this 124. I believe it doesn't have that part though, unfortunately. I'm like 90% sure this is the same one I viewed when I was here. Yep, it's the same one. Ugh. Yeah, these springs aren't springing anymore. Yeah. I think mine used to look like that as well before it was fixed by the previous owner. Oh no, this door doesn't open. But this means I don't think I have checked under these seats. Let's have a look at the solenoid. Let's have a look, maybe we can open it from the inside. Yes, we can. Be nice. I wonder if I did check. Oh, okay, I must have checked it's loose. And yes, it's gone. But there it is. 10 cents. We are in business, ladies and gentlemen. I also want to check out there. It seems to have some original medical equipment. And this is something that I wanted to buy from them as well. But they said 40 euros. And I said no thanks. And oh, I just noticed. Is this electronic? So if it is, I'm pretty sure that is quite a rare option.
And it sure is. 500 euros from eBay. Crazy.
Let's see about those medical kits. Super cool though. I genuinely have never seen this thing. Cool. Let's see about this. Oh, damn. That's unfortunate. Leave this open. So yeah, the only thing I could really take from this is the center vents. And they seem somewhat decent, but it is what it is. I was about to say I think it wasn't an accident, but I think it was brought here because of rust. And it's super interesting optioning as well. Has climate, gas engine manual, has an electric rear, whatever it's called, but no sunroof, for example. But let's have a look at the other cars here then, I guess, if I can't find what I'm looking for. This is an older Audi, maybe Audi 100, a Saab back there. And this seems like a really old car. This one here. Let's go have a look. If I can get close to it without dying. Is it an Opel or is it like a Lada or something? Pretty cool on the inside though. And oh my god. I think the structural integrity of this thing is not too good. But at the same time, I don't think cars were designed to have other cars on top of them. So I think I can forgive it. Let's keep going forward. Let's have a look. What else we can find? Bought a Mitsubishi as well, I think. Also on its side. So let's go back from here. Here's my toolbox, it's still here. This is so sad to see. The body looks so good. Looks like, if you think about us being in Estonia, the body looks so nice. The engine, not sure if this is a red block or not.
It is.
The interior, let's see if the door opens. Oh, cool. I didn't know they have this type of latch as well, but it does open. And look at this. It's mint, man. It would just need a clean, and overall it's perfect. 249,000 kilometers on the dash as well. For these cars and these engines, it's nothing. Such a nice car. Look, there's not even any rust anywhere. And look at that boot. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm not sure if then these are the less desirable version of Volvos. Somebody would just take it here. I guess something happened to the engine maybe. But to me, this car is gold. Looks so good. But nothing here, unfortunately. Let's keep looking. And again, now you'll see another view of the amount of bumpers they have. Imagine you want to say, oh, I want that blue bumper there. So you can see a lot of transmissions, engines, wheels. It's got everything you ever want. An Opel, a Pantheon, I believe. An Audi, again, filled to the brim. Come pick out what you want. Oof. Skoda Superb, I believe. A nice, if I'm not mistaken, CLK perhaps. A E34. Ooh, a Lada. Not a lot of you Americans probably know about these ones, but these are a classic here. And let's have a look at this Saab here as well. It has no doors, it has no rust. Somebody has been spilling the gas though. And this as well, pretty cool. A Chrysler 300, perhaps. Yes, I think I'm right. That is crazy. I think this person is a fan of foxes. There's one more car I want to take a quick glance at. There used to be a really old 50s Mercedes here. Is it still here? No, unfortunately not. There is a scooter here though. Even this has been taken apart for parts, which is quite impressive. I don't think these are that common, but maybe, I just don't know. But let's have a last look at this car over here. Looks pretty cool. So this is a Mercedes 310. Let's have a look at the inside. I've never seen on the inside one of these. Opens like a G-Class, an older G-Wagon. Even still has the key on it. Let's see if it has any. No juice. But it's so cool to see. The engine is right here. I always wondered that they have such small front ends. That how does the engine fit, but it makes complete sense. Really reminds me of the military days, like kind of throws off Unimog vibes. And also the latching system seems to be the exact same as older G-Wagons. I like the sound of it. It's so solid. But yeah, I think this concludes the yard tour. Sadly, we did not find any parts that we were looking for. So ironically, Rick Fix is becoming more Rick Cleans and Rick Explores, but it's fine. So unfortunately, this is how it went this time. We did not find the parts we were looking for. The seat base was tempting, but the issue is that in order to take that out, as I understand, you have to take the whole seat out, and that's something that I wasn't really looking to do there. And also the issue is that my rear bolts of both seats are rusted through, which means that they just keep spinning, and at some point, of course, I'm gonna have to take them out, maybe drill them through, but I'm not looking to do that currently because I still need to use the car, drive with it. If I drill those bolts out, then I'd have to weld in new inserts and new threaded inserts as well, which is something that I don't have the capabilities to do currently with the tools I have. But hopefully you still enjoyed the junkyard tour. There were quite a few interesting cars, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.